Good morning. It's the 11th grade career education class with Mr. Stewart and
Miss Lively.
all right.
Let's begin to talk about research and resources. Last week we kind of touched on resources, which were about networking. This week, let's talk about job research and career research. Mr. Stewart, do you think there's a difference between the two?
Absolutely.
All right.
Career research. What does it do? It helps you identify types of careers that match your skills, interests, and abilities. Job search identifies specific openings and opportunities for employment.
So, Mr. Stewart, would the difference be maybe that for a career, I'm looking for my future, but a job, maybe I just need it immediately?
Probably if you need it immediately, it'd be a job search.
Awesome. Where to start? First, you have to organize. Organize. Did I say organize?
And organize again.
Yes. Set up networking files to keep track of each contact. Last week we talked about networking. So maybe your contacts, you would need to have the name, occupation, email, mailing address, and phone number. Also, a reminder how you know that person. Is it personal? Are they a friend? Are they a friend of the family? Are they also a coworker? And if you contacted them, please make sure you put the date and time of each phone call and what you talked about, so that when you go back in your references, there's no question about what you talked to the person about.
All right. Using online resources. You can use a number of online resources: company websites, government sites, industry sites, online job agencies, and social networking sites.
Social networking? Do you mean like Instagram and Facebook?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. You never know who knows. So, Mr. Stewart, does that mean that I could just have anything on my Facebook then?
Not just anything.
Hmm.
Keep it appropriate.
All the time. You never know who's watching. For your first part of your assignment, we're going to talk about, since you talked about networking, you're going to list 3 people that you would network with and start your own directory. Please list their name, occupation, email, and a brief note of how you know these people. For example, if you use me, you'll put Miss Lively, career education teacher, my email, and that you had me as a teacher.
Assignment part 2. In a paragraph, 5 to 6 sentences, tell me what are the benefits of using online resources in a career job search? Is it easy to find job openings that way?
And for the last part of your assignment, please log on to NJCan, put your cursor on Plan, and click on Career Plan. Next, you're going to click on the Getting Started tab. After that, click on the Set Goals tab. After that, click on the Word document for setting goals and fill out the worksheet. Please make sure that you email us all your responses, and as well as this worksheet in NJCan. Until next time, guys.
Keep up the good work, guys.
See you later.